The Chatty Wife and the Rice Ball Tree, Part 1. Once there lived a chatty wife who talked all day long. There wasn't a single day that was quiet because she chatted so loudly. You know, I was cooking in the kitchen yesterday, and a rat barreled away. So I hit it with a poker and then... The chatty wife never stopped talking once she started. Furthermore, she talked about anything and everything, that there was no such thing as a secret. So all family members or the neighbors did not like the chatty wife.
How can she be so chatty when no one is even listening? This is so embarrassing. What if she makes a mistake?
Her husband was ashamed and worried about having a chatty wife. One day, the husband was coming back from the mountain and found a shiny lump of gold.
This is true? Oh, I can't believe I found gold! Hooray! Oh.
The husband was so happy that he started dancing. Then he thought,
Wait, if I bring this home, my wife will brag about it all over the town. And people will become jealous. Then,
the husband buried the lump of gold beneath a huge oak tree and came back home. The next morning, the husband headed back to the mountain and thought carefully with the gold in his arms.
How can I use this wisely without letting people know? All right, what if I...
He thought of an idea after seeing the lunchbox he brought. And he started making small rice balls with his hands.
Hang this up on the tree like this.
The husband climbed up the oak tree and stuck rice balls in the tree one by one.
Finished! It surely looks like the tree is bearing lots of fruits. It's a rice ball tree! A rice ball tree!
The husband came back home mumbling to himself. What could be his intention?